Genesis 24, a bride for Isaac. Abraham was now old, and the Lord had blessed him in every way. Wanting a wife for his son Isaac, Abraham called his most trusted servant and made him swear not to take a wife for Isaac from the Canaanites, but instead from Abraham's own relatives in Mesopotamia. The servant set out on the journey with 10 camels and valuable gifts. When he arrived at the town of Nahor, he prayed to God for a sign, that the young woman who offered him and his camels water would be the one chosen for Isaac. Rebekah, the granddaughter of Abraham's brother Nahor, came to the well. She gave him water and then offered to draw water for all his camels as well. The servant recognized this as God's answer to his prayer. He gave Rebekah gifts and learned she was from Abraham's family. He was welcomed into her home, where he told her family about Abraham, Isaac, and how God had guided him. Rebekah's family acknowledged this was the Lord's doing and agreed she could go. Rebekah herself was willing to leave immediately. The servant and Rebekah returned to Canaan. When Isaac saw her, he welcomed her, and she became his wife. Isaac loved her, and she brought him comfort after the death of his mother, Sarah.